Angithi ngithe uPriest kumele ube ukuthi into yakhe i-right noNkulunkulu. Uyabona njengoba ibhekene nawe uzozingenela wena to the Holy of Holies. Ithi lento funda nje ukumsaba uNkulunkulu. Don't live anyhow. You are a peculiar nation. Amen. You don't live like any other nation. You are a chosen generation. Amen. A royal priesthood. Live like a royalty. Speak like the way you speak. Must show that this person is royalty. Yes. There's no such a thing as I'm in a valley in jail. We don't understand. Royalty because usuke ukhuluma inkosi. Usenze sangwa ngamakhosi emhlabeni. The Bible says when the king speaks, umisikhulumile inkosi izwi liphuma linjalo and it come to pass. If inkosi ukhuluma, be careful how you speak. Speak like royalty. Speak positive. Speak the word. It doesn't matter the situation obhekene nayo injani. Khona ngalebihlabelela la ethi abanye bathwele izinto ezahlukahlukene. It doesn't matter how heavy is the situation. God speak the word. Speak like the king. Amen. Amandla negunya, it's the power and authority. Thank you. That gives to men to act in all necessary for the salvation of God's people. Amandla negunya anikeziwe uMkristu ukuthi akwazi ukuthi asebenze ukusiza nokuhlenga abantu bakaNkulunkulu. We are not born ukuhlangana nje, but we are born to win souls. We are born to bring salvation. We are born to carry the nations to God. We are born to transfer people from the kingdom of darkness to the kingdom of light, our dear son, Jesus. Yes. Hallelujah. The priest burn incense. Priest ukhipha uletha incense. Yini incense? Incense, it's the prayer. Ukuletha incense, it's prayer. That means if you are a priest, you must keep your altar burning 24/7. Your altar must burn. Whether you are down spiritual, whether you are up, in and out of season, your altar must burn. Your altar must burn. You are going through challenges and beauty altar. Ngoba lithi lenkosi konke usebenzelana kube ngokuhle kwababiziwe ngecebo lakhe. Before we were formed, yes, he knew us. Ngoba wena uzazi ungakabi bikhona. Amen. But yena uyazi now, that means he's in charge of your path. Uthi laphana umahubo uthi show me the path that I may go according to your purposes. Because bazalwane, this journey of priesthood is a journey of sacrifice. It's a journey of dying to yourself. We are away. It's a journey of ayona uhambo lomuntu ozicabangela yena. Kodwa umuntu already to die for the purposes of God. Umuntu already ufa afele for the mandate of God ukuthi iqhubeke phambili. There is why uJesu wadinga ukuthi ayisiphambanweni. Yes. Ngoba ngeke ukwazi ukuthi uthwale this mandate usazazi wena.